In this video, I'll show you how to get Google Docs to read to you. I've actually used this myself personally, so you just type in on Google, okay, read aloud, open this first link on the Chrome Web Store, and we're going to be using this extension. It's been used by over 6 million people. Just come here, click on Add to Chrome, click on Add Extension, and it will begin downloading. Now we can go back to Google Docs. As you can see, the extension is here, right? So click on this icon, looks like a puzzle, and then click on this pin icon. So we've pinned this extension, and we are able to read Google Docs. Now, the first voice, I must warn you, it will not be good, so we're going to have to use custom voices. But let me show you what this one looks like. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on play.
The mysteries of deep sea exploration.
All right, that is not it. Okay, just come here, click on Piper, and then you can change your voice. So come here, this is voice, speed, pitch, volume, text highlighting. Okay, so here I'll go ahead and use, for example, Google UK English male voice. If you want to increase the speed, you can do that here. Pitch, do that. Volume, everything can be done. And you can test it out as well. What I'll do, I'll just come here to Google Docs and come back here, and let's have a listen to this voice. Okay, let's see what the difference will sound like.
The mysteries of deep sea exploration.
Okay, that is more manageable, right? But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. Go ahead and explore all of these available voices.